everybody, Dutchsinse here, 11:35 p.m. Central Time on Tuesday, August 20th, 2013. And good news, guys, I've got you over here on my Dutchsinse page. It has been restored. Many thanks to the person who helped me, was contacted privately by somebody who actually works at YouTube, and they helped resolve this situation. I want to take you guys over to my page and just show you, for the record. Okay, here we are in full good standing, no strikes, just like it was the night before everything happened. Now, this is the video that got flagged here. Okay, I know a lot of people said, oh, you must have done something really bad to get flagged off YouTube. No, they came over and started flagging my videos, guys, and they got this one taken down as well as a couple others. And this is the one that caused the whole thing, the tipping point, and my channel was down within 5 minutes of getting a violation on this video. And it was flagged for community guidelines violations. You guys can go over to my website if you want to see the actual violation that was sent, but it was erroneous. It was not valid. And my channel was down for 16 days, starting on August 4th, the day after, or a day and a half after Suspicious Observers put out that video, saying that I threatened him and his family, which we're not going to get into it other than to say, guys, I did not threaten him and his family, did not threaten to out his information, and my channel is Dutchsinse. I am not affiliated with any other channels. The ones he's accusing me of being is not me or Tattooed, and that's all that needs to be said. He put out a bunk video. He was angry when he put it out, I think, and he would never admit that now. But I didn't threaten him or his family, did not, and would never do that, guys. I contacted him privately because he accused me of fraud for 2 years. I've got the screenshots of the comments and the original links on my site. Again, I don't want to get into it other than to let you know. He was anonymous for 2 years. I looked him up once he started a company. Contacted him privately. He went public with that whole threat thing, which is not accurate, not true. It's a shame. But got my channel back, and moving forward, you guys can go watch this video, of course, I urge you to, just so you can see that there's nothing objectionable in it at all. It's really dry, to be quite honest. It's me going over a mystery radar pulse that appeared a few months ago in June. All my other videos are back up and standing. A few of them from my Dutchsinse Reloaded channel are now gone because they came over and flagged that other channel. I'm not really worried about that. I can upload those here. The key to this, guys, is always make sure to back up your videos. With me, having 700 or 800 videos almost, it's really hard to keep all those in one spot. But I've learned my lesson, and I am making the appropriate purchases so I can keep those backed up on an external hard drive somewhere, so I don't have to worry about that going into the future. The other thing that is such a loss when you do lose a channel is not your videos. It's not anything having to do with you. It actually has to do with the other videos that you've assembled. So for me, a really big deal for me is the playlists that I've compiled over the course of the last several years. And you can go check those out. I'll have those up and running as well. But we're talking all the Bayou Corn playlist, all the earthquake playlists, all the Japan and Fukushima information. It's a collaborative effort between myself and several other people sharing information. I'm going to have to go up here and now edit this to add a few more people in that showed me support. A few of my longtime people that I've actually showed support to in the past were nowhere to be found when my channel was deleted. I'm not going to mention any names, but they were top recommended by me for many, many years, and they were nowhere to be found when this whole thing happened. They said they didn't want to get involved. Okay, so, it really taught me who my friends are. And as for the people that stood by me during this, I want to thank you so much. The video makers that stood up and made videos and shared them in the face of getting flagged and pulled down and strikes on your account, guys. Dude, I didn't ask you to do that. You just did it on your own. Thank you. Okay, I'll do the same for you if you ever go down. And the key, guys, is that even if you don't agree with somebody, like even if you completely hate them, don't go flag their videos down. Don't try to go flag them down. Only if somebody steals your intellectual property. If somebody takes your video and re-uploads it somewhere without your permission, that's one thing, okay? But to go flag down videos that you don't agree with, okay, that's getting to the level of fascism. Mob rule, where, one group gets to dictate what the message is. And so I stand up for the right for Suspicious Observers to say whatever he wants to, okay? But if it's not true, you guys should stand up for the right for us to put that information out, whatever it is. Don't try to hinder it. You don't have to watch it if you don't like it. But to have it removed, I'm not trying to lecture you guys, but to have it removed is wrong. Now, there's some trolls that got involved, and we could go down that road too in the future. However, I'm not going to be doing that. My job is here to bring you weather modification news, earthquake news, space anomalies, those sorts of things. Cheers.